Meet Amara. Last week, her auntie, calling in from New York City, said, I just bought shares in a company. You should too. Amara, back home in Mombasa, got excited, then nervous. Buy shares? In what? How does she even know it's a good company? Sound familiar? Good news. You don't need a finance degree. You just need to ask the right questions. Like a detective, not a gambler. A question we hear all the time. What should I invest in? Here's the truth. We can't tell you which stock to buy. What we can do is teach you how to figure that out for yourself every single time. Here are the 10 questions every smart investor asks before putting their money into a company. Question 1. What does this company actually do? And would I explain it to my grandmother in one sentence? If you can't explain how a company makes its money, don't invest in it yet. So where do you actually find this out? Start with free beginner-friendly tools like Google or Yahoo Finance. They turn raw filings into simple charts and ratios. For the bigger picture, track outlets like Reuters and CNBC. They give you crucial context on leadership changes, competitor moves, and industry shifts. Question 2. Is the company actually profitable or just popular? A company can be famous and still lose money. Look for revenue, money coming in, and profit, money left over. Both growing? That's healthy. Question 3. Is this company bigger today than it was a few years ago? Check the last few years. A company that keeps growing is like a farmer whose harvest gets better every season. Question 4. Does this company owe too much money? Some debt is normal. Even businesses borrow to grow, but too much is like carrying a sack too heavy for your back. Question 5. Who is leading this company? And do they have a good track record? You're trusting your money to real people. Have they led well before? Question 6. Who else is competing for the same customers? Every company has rivals. Does this one have something special that keeps it ahead? Question 7. What are the risks? Every investment has risks. New laws, competition, currency swings. A smart investor understands the risks before investing, not after. Question 8. Am I paying a fair price for this share or is it overhyped? Even a great company can be a bad investment if you pay too much. And here's the good news. It doesn't matter if one share costs $3,000 or $30. With fractional shares, price per share isn't the barrier. What matters is comparing the price to the company's earnings. Don't just buy because everyone's talking about it. And watch out for FOMO, the fear of missing out. That voice that says everyone's buying it, I need to buy it now, is not a strategy, it's a trap. Smart investors ask their questions first. FOMO asks none of them. Question 9. Does this company have a clear plan for the future? New products, new markets, new ideas. Growth doesn't happen by accident. Question 10. Does this investment fit my goals and how long I plan to hold it? Investing for 6 months is different from investing for 10 years. Know your timeline before you buy. Here's what patience can actually look like. Coca-Cola first sold shares to the public back in 1919 at $40 each. Thanks to several stock splits over the decades, that single share would have grown into 9,216 shares today. At Coca-Cola's current price, that's worth over $760,000. And along the way, it would also be paying out close to $19,500 a year in dividends. Investing is not gambling, it's patience, backed by good questions. Here's the thing, you don't need a perfect answer to all 10 questions. Before you start small, with what you can. Even a fraction of a share, and keep learning as you go. Because the most important step toward financial security isn't getting everything right. It's beginning. 10 questions. That's all it takes to go from guessing to investing with confidence. Amara didn't need a finance degree and she didn't let FOMO rush her. She just asked better questions. Now so can you. With the Wekeza app, you can research real companies and start investing with as little as you have. A fraction of a share today, building toward whole shares over time. For just $1 a month and $1 per trade with a $10 minimum, you can get started. No big bank account required. Download Wekeza today, open your brokerage account in minutes, and start building your future. One smart question at a time. This video is for educational purposes only and is not investment advice. Investing involves risk, including the possible loss of your money. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Please do your own research or consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decision.